Today, let's learn some English words where the letter L is silent. Aziada Sahara, Hodun Warshikium, L Hodiba, Hoda silent Tagade Yanara Zanium. Okay, let's find out the rule. The L is silent when it comes after A, O, and U. L Hodiba bole silent Tage, Zentini Kihiba, A Bade, U Bade, Aido Tikide, Water Gammade, Etunamada Aratun. L হদিবারে সাইলেন্ট করা হইব। ফর এক্সাম্পলস কাফ, হাফ, ফাম, কাম, ওয়াক, টক, স্টাক, salmon. We don't say salmon. We say salmon. Yolk, fork, foot, shoot, wood. So, in all of these words, the letter L is not pronounced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy English tips.